What's up? We're on our way back to Naperville to go check out those other model homes here. Definitely don't want to miss it. Okay, so make sure you stick around to the end of this video so you can see the entire home tours of what's cooking up in the Naperville Polo Club. All right, and again, they're just starting construction, so now is the time. If you're thinking about getting a new construction home, now is the time to secure that home right away. But let's go check them out. If this is your first time on this channel, you want to know everything there is to know about living in Chicago and the surrounding suburbs, then subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about the current market in Chicago. Hey, what's up? It's your boy Marlon here with my team, and we get calls, texts, and emails from people just like you, yes, you, looking to make that move to Chicago. And we absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in 9 days or you're moving in 90 days, it does not matter. Give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email so we can help you make a smooth move to Chicago. But hey, let's go to Naperville. All right, we're here at another estate series home. This one's called the Westchester, starting at $579,000. We're about to go check this one out. This one's really nice. It's gonna be from 3,300 square feet all the way up to 3,500 square feet. You get anywhere from 4 to 6 bedrooms and 2.5 to 4 bathrooms. All right, so it's gonna be a massive home for a big family just like yours. But all right, let's go see it. All right, so that was just the Westchester model for the Estate Series here in Naperville, Illinois. So again, right, these homes here, the Estate Series homes here at the Naperville Polo Club are going to be starting at $579,000. At least this Westchester model here, where you're getting 4 to 6 bedrooms, you're getting 2.5 to 3 bathrooms, and then you're also getting 3,300 square feet of home. So that's going to be very, very nice here. You're going to get a lot of space, a lot of backyard as well. You're going to get 4 to 6 bedrooms. So you're going to have more than enough space for you and the family and all your visitors to come through and kick and have a great time, right? So again, with these Estate Series homes, you're also getting the basement as well. So remember that, right? And with these Estate Series homes as well, you're also getting a taller basement than the Meadow Series. So you're getting around a 10-foot or 11-foot ceiling in your basement area. So that's really nice. It's going to keep it really cool in that area as well. Okay, so these are the Westchester homes here. Again, starting at $579,000. That's going to be your base price. Remember, you got to add your lot, right? And then you remember, you got to add your upgrades. Now, your upgrades are ranging from anywhere between $50K to $100,000. Okay, so you know, if you're thinking about upgrading your home in the Meadow Series, think about ranging or budgeting around $50K for those upgrades. And if you're thinking about upgrading your home in the Estate Series homes like this Westchester model we just came out of, that's going to run you around $100K, so maybe a little bit more than that. Okay, so just remember, you got to add that onto your base price to get your total price in the end. Okay, but more or less, these homes are here in the Naperville area off of 119th Street, right here by Naperville and Plainfield. All right, so we can see we have more people who love these homes walking out. Right, really great here. Oh, it's all good. All right, but that is really nice. So we have these homes here in Naperville. If you do like them, make sure you do not wait, because these homes have just reached the market. They just started selling these homes a couple weeks ago here in April. So you don't want to wait. These homes are going to go fast. You can just see these people who just walked out of the house. They're most likely going to put in an offer to maybe secure one of these lots. So do not wait. Give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, so you can make sure that you have your spot here secured, right? You want to make sure that you're good, all right? So shoot us a call, shoot us a text, so we can help you secure that. But we're going to check out one more model here. It's called the Waverly, part of the Meadow Series. So let's go. All right, so we're here on our last model here. It's going to be the Waverly, part of the Meadow Series here. And my goodness, you're in for a good one here. As you can see here, as we're out front here, this Waverly model does have the porch out front. So if you're looking for something or some place to chill out in front of your home and kind of watch the locals or watch your surroundings, I know some people who do that. But you know, if that's something that you're trying to do, this model is going to be perfect for you because it has the porch out front in front of your windows as well. But this is the Waverly model, a part of the Meadow Series here. You're going to be starting at $549,000. You're going to get 4 to 6 bedrooms, 3,200 square feet or more. All right, and you're going to get 2.5 to 4 bathrooms. So again, you're going to have more than enough space for you and all of the family to pull up. All right, but we're going to go check out this model right now. Come on. All right, so wasn't that just beautiful inside? This was the Waverly model for the Meadow series here at Naperville Polo Club. But again, you can get these type of series homes at any of these newly constructed communities that Pulte is building around, the area in the south suburbs of Chicago, like Bolingbrook, Naperville, Plainfield. They're building homes all around this area. So these type of models you can get in any of these areas. But again, this one here is the Waverly model. It's again starting at $549,000. That's just your base price. Remember, add your lot, add your upgrades, okay? And they're gonna come out to around close to $700,000, okay, in the end. But again, with these homes, right, these new construction homes, just don't take them for as you see them. You can really customize these homes as you like. If you want to add another bedroom, you want to add another bathroom, if you want to extend a bedroom, if you want to make a bedroom smaller, get creative. You can do that all here with these Pulte construction homes here in Naperville, Bolingbrook, wherever you are deciding to build your home at, okay? So you want to make sure that you give us a call, or you send us a text, or you shoot us an email soon, because these homes are not going to be on the market forever. When I was just here today, there was a lot of people here. It was pretty occupied here today. A lot of people are coming through checking out these homes. So best believe that these homes are going to be sold pretty soon. So do not hesitate. If you even have an inkling or even a thought of thinking about moving into one of these new construction homes, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email right away so we can help you secure that as soon as possible. But all right, these homes again are starting at $549,000. They are very nice inside, and they are definitely waiting for you to move into it and make it your own, okay? So again, these homes here are in the Naperville Polo Club off of 119th. You're going to be right there by the 59, right? Illinois Right 59 is going to have all your groceries, your shopping, your dining, all that's going to be less than 10 to 5 minutes away from you. So you're going to be in the perfect spot. Best believe me, right? Bolingbrook is to the left, Plainfield is to the right, Naperville is to the north. you're in the perfect spot right here at the Naperville Polo Club. Okay, so give us a call so we can get you in here right away. All right, so again, the build time is 7 to 9 months, so don't wait, right? Secure it now so it's ready for you in 2025. But again, I want to thank you for sticking around for this tour today. If you like these homes, right? Don't wait because they are going fast. Remember, it is a competitive market right now. It is a seller's market. So if you're a buyer, you're looking for one of these homes, definitely give us a call right away. But again, I appreciate you for sticking around to the end of this video. And until I can show you around your new home, peace.